Hello friends, welcome back to my channel if you are returning. Welcome if you're new. My name is Rachel. I'm a part-time reseller on eBay, Poshmark, and Mercari. And today I have another Boutique by the Box unboxing. This is the BCBG and BB Basic Box, which is a mouthful. But if you want to see what they sent me this time, make sure you stick around. So I have been absolutely loving ordering from Boutique by the Box, and for a really long time BCBG and BB were not really on my radar of brands I pick up, but I have sort of acquired some pieces in other mystery boxes and stuff, and it actually does surprisingly well. I didn't really realize that it would, but it does. And so Boutique by the Box had this listed on their site like randomly, and I decided to give it a try just because why not? I mean, the price was right. It was an $80 box for 20 pieces. I do have a 10% off code now that I can use and that you can use. So if you want to check it out, the link is down below. But I got 10% off of this box. So my cost of goods for 20 pieces was $3.43 per piece. The title of the box is basic, so I am expecting that there will be some basic pieces in here, but you know me, I'm a sucker for a really reasonable cost of goods, so I decided to go ahead and give this a try. So if you like reseller content, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Every time I do an unboxing, I come back and do a 90-day update. You know, it doesn't matter if its cost of goods is great or not. If it doesn't sell, it depends on what actually sells for me to say it's a good box. So I'll come back in 90 days, let you guys know what sold, and whether or not I would say that this box was profitable. So let's go ahead and get right in. Full disclosure, it is open. I didn't really look at it. I do my best to not cut the tape until the camera's rolling, but I ordered 2 boxes from Boutique by the Box at the same time, and they sent them in the same box for 1. And then for 2, the box that they sent it in, not that this is their fault, it's probably on UPS, but the box was pretty jacked up, and I did kind of want to make sure that there wasn't anything damaged in there. So it's not a complete blind unboxing. I did get a little sneak peek, but I tried not to look at it too much and just to get it into a box so I could share with you. So I will go ahead and show you what they sent me. Spoiler alert, there are a few duplicates, which is okay, but I want you to see what they sent anyway. So, and you can see right off the bat there's a couple of these in this box. The same it looks like a bodysuit actually. Ooh, this is a new angle for me. I had to switch my camera because the sun came out and it was all up in my face. So let's try again. This is a one-shoulder bodysuit. So thong bodysuit, very stretchy. This is very BB. You know, BB is known for it being flashy and form-fitting, and no surprise there. So there's one. And just to kind of go through, I can see that there's a couple more. Here's another 2, 3, 4, 5. Right on top, I can see there's 5 of the same. There is one size medium. The rest are size small. You know, I'm not mad about it, though. I love me a multi-quantity listing. I don't know about you, but it makes it so easy to just list one and then just forget it and let it sell off. I don't know if you remember the Prana box I got a few weeks ago, which I can link that video down below if you want to check that out. It was also Boutique by the Box. Definitely some duplicates, but I tell you, I got all of that stuff listed in like a couple of hours. So anyway, it looks like that's going to happen a little bit more. This is BB Sport. This is like a little bralette, seamless bra. So it has a price tag on it of $29. That's a cute little seamless bra though. Lightly padded, nice and stretchy. There's a couple of these. This one's a size small. Small. That's different. And small. That's all I see right on top. So 3 of these little bras. I've got a tank top. This one's BCBG Max Azria. Looks like it's new without tag. Let me back up a little bit. So this is a very stretchy, like cami tank with a built-in bra. What did we say? Size extra small, small. Okay. Okay, these are, looks like a few more of the same. Oh, this is a dress. Check this out. What is this? Bebe. Yeah, this is a very Bebe-like dress. This is like a bandage, very stretchy, very form-fitting. The tag even says delicate fabric. So this has a MSRP of $69. This one's a size medium large, which again, very, very form-fitting to be a medium large. You know, and the one thing I really love about Boutique by the Box, I'm just noticing this delicate fabric tag. You know, everything they send is hand sorted, so you don't really have to worry as much with them about if there's like flaws on the item, if there's snags in the fabric or rips or stains. They filter all of that out and they only send you the sellable stuff. So not only is my cost of goods less than $4 per item, but I know that probably all 20 of these pieces are going to be listable too, so that's great. This is size medium large, same dress. Same dress. I'm a little late for Valentine's Day, and that's a bummer because those are nice little hot little dresses. There's a couple more in here. Medium large and medium large. Yep, medium large. So I got 4 of these BB dresses. And then there's a couple other pieces in here. Let's see. Okay, this is a little t-shirt. This is BCBG Max Azria. This is a t-shirt, layering t-shirt. This one also has a built-in bra. Size medium large. Definitely junior size if I had to guess. I think this is the same. Yep. But this one's an extra small, small. Here's another tank. Extra small, small, new without tag. So again, not worth a ton. I think the dresses are going to do okay. What's this? Is this a skirt? Maybe this is a bandage skirt. Yeah, probably. If I had to guess, that's a skirt. I feel like it's too long to be a top. So it's an extra small, small. And there's a couple of these as well. Let's see. Extra small, small. And extra small, small. So I got 3 of these little skirts. This is like total, like barely 21-year-old club wear. Totally. And then there's one random piece. Oh, this is a dress too. It's got a cool pattern. It's a very thick material, thick and stretchy, BCBG. This one, do we have a size on this one? Oh my gosh, I can't breathe just thinking about getting myself into this. That's so funny. I don't see a size on this one, but if I had to guess, it's a small because, well, it looks incredibly small. But there you have it. All right, let me just double check and see how many pieces are here. All right, so we have exactly 20 pieces. I would say it's a nice variety of styles. There's duplicates of most of it, but that's okay. I am not afraid of a multi-quantity listing. So I'm going to go ahead and get all of this listed on my eBay, Poshmark, Mercari. It should be very, very quick for me to list the different couple of styles here. And probably should be easy to find like stock photos and things too. So very quick to list. The cost of goods I think is good, but I think the ultimate question is going to be, will it sell? Will I triple my money? Well, actually with liquidation, I kind of want to double my money. That's kind of like the goal. If I can triple, that'd be great too. But I want to make my, I think $68 after the 10%, right? I paid $68 for these items, and then I want to make my $68 back plus $68 at least once over. I guess, ideally twice over. So stay tuned for the 90-day update if you want to see if I can make that happen. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel if you want to see the 90-day update. And drop me a like on the way out if you are still here. Let me know what you think about this box. Do you think I can double, triple my money? Would you have picked up this box for the cost of goods? I would definitely be interested to know. But that is it for today. Nice, short, sweet little video for you. I hope you enjoyed watching. I appreciate you being here, and I will catch you in the next one.